Hello students, welcome back into the part 2 of the solution of Aggarwal exercise 2K from the chapter Polynomial CBSE class 9. In the first video we have solved from question number 1 to question number 14, and here we will be solving the question number 15 and the question number 19, and as I have promised I will share something special with you at the end of the video, so stick to the end. First question is question number 15, when we need to factorize the given one. It's given find the product of x plus y minus z. So it's given find the product of x plus y minus z times x square plus y square plus z square minus xy plus yz plus zx. So that means whatever we have done in the first 14 questions, we have to do the exactly opposite into the next 6 questions. No, next 5 questions. Okay. So in the first video, in the first part of the exercise from the question number 1 to 14, they want you to they want you to do the factorization. Here they want given factorization forms are given. You have to find the product of them. So the silliest way to do it is to multiply them, and the best way to do it using the formula. So but before using the formula you must convert the given question into the standard form so that we can convert it into the formula, or we can use the formula with it. Now here some difficulties, some students can have some difficulties, especially with this much part. I think that very easy. We can see the z is negative, so we can according to change the video signs, and that will be very easy for you if you have seen the first type of videos. In the first solutions I have done such type of problems, and then I have explained how to actually change the signs. So same concept will be used here. So without so much talking, let's start. X plus y plus of minus z, because we need x plus y plus z, so we converted sign of the chain. Then x square plus y square plus minus of z square minus x into y minus y into minus z minus x into minus z. Okay, so we can see a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c, which we all know it's 3 into x into y into minus z, and which will be simplified by plus 3xyz. So that's the answer. Now the question number 16. Same type of question is given x minus 2y plus 3, then x square plus 4y square plus 9. Even I can write the question without looking at the book, because it's the formula they have used. So 2ab, then 2bc, so plus 6y minus 3x. They have written the same thing, but they have written the 9 at the end. Okay, they want me to confuse, but I will not get confused by such steps. Okay. Okay, so we can convert it into the standard form. So x cube, sorry, x plus of minus 2y plus 3 x square 2y square minus 2y square, actually 3 square, minus x into minus 2y minus of minus 2y into 3 minus x into 3. Okay, so that means x cube minus 2y cube 3 cube, 3 into x into minus 2y into 3. That means we can simply write it as x cube minus 8y cube plus 27 minus and minus plus 18xy. Now the question number 17, it's again given same x minus 2y minus z, x square plus 4y square plus z square plus 2xy plus zx minus 2yz. So I have to convert it into the standard form into x square minus 2y square minus z square minus x into minus 2y minus 2y into minus z minus x into minus z. Okay, so that can be written as x minus 2y, sorry, x cube plus of x cube plus of minus 2y whole cube plus of minus z whole cube minus 3 into x into minus 2y into minus z. So that will be wind up to x cube y cube z cube 6xyz. So that's the question number 17. Two more left and then the surprise for you. 18th one, it's given x plus y plus 4 equals to 0. What will be the value of that part? It's given x plus y plus 4 equals to 0. What will be the value of x cube plus y cube minus 12xy plus 64? So it's nothing but x cube plus y cube plus 4 cube minus 3 into x into y into 4. We know it's always will be 0 because x plus y plus 4 equals to 0. And the question number 19. Question number 19 is given, if x equals to 2y plus 6, what will be the value of x cube? So that means x minus 2y minus 6 equals to 0. Now they have asked you to find the value of 36xy minus 216. So we can simply write it as x cube plus minus 2y the whole cube plus minus 6 the whole cube minus 3 into x into minus 2y into minus 6. That will give you 0. Why these are become 0? If you were confused, we know that if a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, and here if a plus b plus c equals to 0, obviously it will become 0 times a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca, and then the entire stuff will become 0. So that's why in the last two questions we got directly 0 without actually calculating it. Okay, so hope this videos are helping you. Now let me share something with you. One of my students has commented in on my videos. Okay, so you can see this subscriber, this is my regular student in video. She has written that this subscriber has written, thank you very much for your help. I cannot explain how much it's helpful, but what a heart touching word it is that I don't copy this answer. I understand it, and then I understood it, and thanks. So this is the true, I think this is the true sign of a good student who don't copy the answer, because I'm not creating this video just to copy or just to help you in your homeworks. I'm creating this video so that you can understand the concept and you can just look at the problem, understand the problems where you get stuck, and then do it yourself. But if you just copy the answer, it will not help you ever in your life. Always try not to copy the answers. Just try to understand that and then try to do it yourself. If you are not able to solve it, then again come back to the video, play the video, try to understand how I have done it and do it. Most of the cases you used to do the calculation mistake, not any conceptual mistake. I know that, so that's why I'm asking you. Sometimes it you can stuck with the calculation, sometimes you can stuck with the positive negative sign. So I always want you to do it yourself. Don't copy the answer, don't try to do the homework through these videos. It will not help you, that's not good for you. Always try, like the student, always try to don't copy the answer, try to understand and do it yourself. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Keep subscribing, sharing and liking the videos. I will be always for you. Thank you very much. Bye.